Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Let me explain you the worksheet. Okay. Now I will not explain number 2 because it's easy. It's talking about the parallel sides. You know, parallelogram. The opposite sides are parallel and then they are equal, right? In parallelogram, in rhombus, all the sides are equal. So you can answer them. And number 3. Look at this. We have learned that. Angle between parallel sides when added is equal to 180, right? Where are the parallel sides of this parallelogram? JK and ML are parallel, right? Isn't it? Likewise, KL and JM are also parallel, right? Therefore, what happens? What happens is we set angle between parallel side. So this one and this one is parallel. I said this one and this one, right? Isn't it? See, these are parallel lines. Now I have not done parallel lines here. So this angle plus this angle will be equal to 180 then, isn't it? That means 36 plus angle KLM. That means the whole thing. KLM is equal to 180, isn't it? This means angle between parallel lines. This is one parallel line, this is one angle between parallel line, this is one parallel line, this one angle between. So when you add these two angles, it will be equal to 180. Therefore, angle KLM will be equal to 180 minus 36, right? It is equal to how much? It will be equal to how much? 144, isn't it? So 144. Then now see, that means the whole thing. KLM, this is 144. But we know angle JLM, right? JLM, right? We know JLM. Therefore, KLJ. Therefore, angle KLJ will be equal to 144 minus 44. It will be equal to how much? 100. So our answer angle KLJ is JKL, okay? KLJ, this one, KLJ, sorry, it is the KLJ, isn't it? Is equal to 100. Now next part. Next part is that angle MJK, right? Angle MJK will be equal to, see, this is MJK, this angle we are finding. MJK is equal to this one, the opposite angle. In parallelogram, we learned that opposite angles are equal. Therefore, MJK or KJM, anyways, is okay. MJK, KJM is okay because J should be in the angle, in the middle. So it will be equal to MLK will be equal. Therefore, for example, we got here, we already got that, right? This one, KLM, MLK, KLM, MLK is same. KLM and MLK, so it is 144. So these are our two answers. One is this one is the 100, and the other one is this. I hope it's understood. And now let's look at this one. This is a rhombus, okay? Rhombus, y v x, y v w is 56. Find the values of angle w x y. These opposite angles are equal. So this is 50. So this, therefore, this is question number 4, right? So that means angle WXY equal to 56, isn't it? That's easy. And now the other one, angle XYV, this one. Now we know that, see, this one plus this one will be equal to 180, because that's angle between parallel side. This is one parallel side, this is one parallel side, this angle, and this one parallel side, this angle. So angle between parallel sides is equal to 180. That means 56 plus angle XYV is equal to 180. Angle between parallel sides, when you add up, it is equal to 180, right? So angle XYV is equal to 180 minus 56, which is equal to 124, right? That's the answer for this part. I hope it's clear now.